Welcome to the new version of Gamma and Density's 3CP Set and Post, the software that provides data management, color correction on or off the set, pre-visualization, and a seamless communication with post-production. This video will show you the new upcoming features in 3CP Set and Post. Now 3CP supports the Red MX sensor and new color science, Red Color and Red Gamma. 3CP Set and Post adds the ability to work directly with the raw data files produced by the Red One camera from Red Digital Cinema. The raw data is not transcoded, but rather is accessed and decoded directly from its raw format, ensuring the highest quality imagery. To show you some of the MX upgrades, I'm going to go ahead here and enter 3CP. As you can see, I have an image already loaded into my gallery. I have a before and after image. This is a native R3D file I imported into 3CP. First thing I'm going to do is show you the new dialog in the 3CP footage settings. I'm going to go to File, Footage Settings, and you will notice that we have a few more dialog boxes in the footage settings. Some of the new features include the use of FLUT color science. This way you can toggle back and forth between MX and non-MX footage. Next is the added color settings, color space and gamma curve, where I can select red color, red gamma, camera RGB, Rec 709, Rec 709, Rec 709, and red space 709. A couple other additions here are the FLUT control slider, as well as the pick white balance slider, and also the tint slider. The final footage settings upgrade is the histogram display. As you can see here, as I adjust my settings, my histogram is adjusting with it. This is a great tool when importing R3D files. So now I'm going to go over some other 3CP upgrades. Some of the other data management upgrades consist of enhanced batch rendering and enhanced P2 file handling. A few other general upgrades for 3CP Set and Post consist of the support for new Coda style 3D LUTs. As you can see here in my list of export LUTs, new Coda has been added to the list. This is the basic setup for our new HDSDI image capture workflow and the new 3CP HDLink Pro workflow that provides live on-set color correction. As you can see, we have a camera with an HDSDI feed to the right that is framed on a projector as our subject. In the center, we have an HDSDI field monitor along with the HDLink Pro box and our HDSDI capture device. In this case, we are using the Matrox MX02. Then finally, to the left, we have the 3CP loaded onto the laptop. To go over the setup a bit more in detail, I'm going to start from the beginning. First, we need an HDSDI feed, and in this case, we are coming directly out of the camera. Next, we have that feed going into the Matrox. From there, the Matrox is connected to our laptop via PCI card slot. The Matrox then feeds out an HDSDI signal to the HDLink Pro. The HDLink Pro feeds out an HDSDI signal to the JVC monitor shown here. Now that everything is connected, I can go into 3CP and begin making my corrections. 3CP has the new image capture option that works great for this workflow. As you can see, I have an HDSDI feed in my 3CP monitor pane. I'm just going to hit the record button and capture an image. As you can see, it automatically loads to my left window pane, and I can begin color correcting it. And when using the HDLink Pro, as I make these corrections, you will see that on my onset monitor, it is being adjusted as well. The HDLink Pro is connected via USB to my computer. So as I adjust any color corrections in 3CP, it reflects that adjustment on the monitor. I can use my curves, video RGB, printer lights, or custom profiles, and it's that easy to create and save looks on set and have everyone seeing a great image. If the user wants to take it one step further, they can utilize some of 3CP's other great features. Once the images are graded, the user can export these images as 3CP reports, CDLs, or lookup tables to post-production. This simple workflow can be utilized in any type of configuration if you have a Mac Pro Tower with a built-in SDI card, or want to use an Aja I/O for your laptop. Almost all devices are compatible with 3CP. So that is the new image capture feature and HDLink Pro support in 3CP. So those are some of the new and latest features of 3CP Set and Post. Check back for other videos for some general overview and training tutorials. And also check out our new Mysterium X color charts.